Hey everybody, Sebastian DeBurs here, and I'm in Washington, D.C. today. For our walk and talk, I want to give you an update from the FDA. So there are two ways, in my view, that the FDA appears to be relaxing, and also two ways in which the FDA appears to be tightening. So let me share with you first the two ways in which the FDA appears to be relaxing. So the first is that it appears the FDA is open to a single pivotal trial for drug approval, rather than the traditional two pivotal trials needed. So that would be, for example, a single phase 3 for, let's say, oncology, that's well designed and well powered. If it shows the necessary efficacy and safety, potentially a second phase 3 might not be needed. So that's the first sort of major update from the FDA, in which it appears the FDA seems to be relaxing. The second is the FDA's acceptance of real-world evidence. So it appears the FDA has signaled openness for cases in which it's impractical to do a randomized control trial, the gold standard by the FDA. Let's say, for example, a small, rare patient group, like a rare mutant group, where an RCT isn't practical. In this case, the FDA is open to real-world evidence as an alternative to an RCT in consideration of label expansions and drug approvals. So, for example, let's say electronic health records or post-marketing surveillance data, if that presents a strong case and provides sufficient evidence, that can substitute a trial in certain cases. And so these are two ways, in which the FDA appears to be signaling openness to different ways of doing things and relaxing some of its oversight. And then there are two ways in which it appears the FDA is tightening. The first is that it appears more warning letters have been sent regarding manufacturing, CMC, and GMP. It looks like quality control for manufacturing, it appears has become a bit stricter. More letters have been sent out, and there's more and tighter oversight there on manufacturing quality. The second domain in which the FDA seems to be tightening is that the label needs to be continuously updated more frequently after a drug has gone to market. So based on the post-marketing surveillance data, the label, rather than just being fixed after the pivotal trial and going to market, more frequently has to be updated based on the data coming in after the drug is going